Okay, today we're doing that air handler, air conditioner that's in the crawl space. Then the knee wall is super tight. Luckily, we got the wall cut open so we can actually access it. He'll be able to actually have a filter from right here when you put the door on that. But yeah, this makes it so much easier. Because before it was like impossible to even fit in there to really work on this thing. But it shouldn't be too bad. The unit we have is pretty much the same exact size. Drain's gonna go relatively out the same way, except for it'll be out a better trap than that stupid ass thing. Better pan, better everything. But yeah, this thing is a beast. But it looks like everything's able to be accessed. Luckily, we can go down there, right out the wall for the line set. But yeah, this isn't terrible for a Friday. Lots of cobwebs though. Lots and lots of cobwebs, so that's the only thing that's gonna suck. So, but all right, let's get to it. Okay, so we got the blower out, but like, look at that. That's pretty chunky, but this is it right here. Over here. That is pretty bad. It almost looks like a mouse in there. Yeah. That is very, 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 very gross. And people are just breathing that in. So get that out of there for them. Get them up and going with a clean system. Oh, wait a minute. Look at that. Looks like there was a filter shoved in there, so that's just restricting everything. Holy crap. That's very gross. Let's actually take that out. While I got you here. See how gross that is. Oh my god, I don't even know if I can pull it out. Oh yeah. Yep. That was definitely causing an issue too. Holy crap. So yeah, let's keep going and get this piece of crap out for him. Okay, so got the old unit out. Got the new pan in place, ready to go with that. Just gotta get the new unit up here, patch the ductwork, and I can start doing mechanicals. Hopefully those pieces connect right back on. I think that might be a little large, but I can bend the tabs down, screw it in. That might be, I think that's the exact same size. So, shouldn't be too bad. Pan looks a little unlevel, but it might just be how I'm looking at it. Once the unit's on there, I'll have to look at it, make sure it's all good with that. So, yeah, we're moving along pretty good. Okay, so unit's fully in place. We got the thing leveled out. We got the supply on, got the return on. I just got to tape some of the seams there. Yeah, that was a pain in the ass. So now I'm gonna start doing all the mechanicals while I wait for Harry to get the line set all ready. And then he's gonna feed it in through there, which is not focusing, but it's, yeah, there it is. From all over there in cobweb land, all the way there, should pop out there, just drop it down. So, slowly but surely getting there. Got a lot of it done. It's only like 10 something, so Let's keep on moving. Okay, we got pretty much the entire thing done. I just brazed down the inside there, goes up all the way down behind the wall there. Just got to clean up this mess I made, pressure test, finish the wiring. I just got to put that one wire on the inside. But other than that, yeah, not too bad. Low volt's done, safety's in, drain pitched, everything's good. Outdoors all nice and clean, which once I'm done in here before we leave, I'll have to try and remember to take a video of that. But yeah, pretty much good to go. Next part here should be this thing up and running, and then the outdoor, and then we're good to go. All right, we are up and fully running. AC's working. We got the filter in. Line set's all zip tied up down that little hole. Split is good. We got the return right here. One of them is in the attic, so it's about 80. So it is nice and toasty up here. But yeah, the split's about 19 after running through the house and checking everything, so definitely going good. So we're all set up here. I just got to put the wall back in. Go outside, make sure the pressures are reading good, and that's it. Nice, easy Friday, easy-ish Friday, I should say. All right, here's the new unit. We got it going up over there, right into the attic right there. Drain goes right there. That's the old guy right there. But yeah, came out really nice. It's working good, pressures are good. Again, not bad for a Friday. Before, this was all covered in trees and a whole bunch of crap. They're doing work in their backyard, so it actually worked out for us that we had to postpone it for a little bit. So, but yeah, that's it for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one. You guys have a great weekend.